Hey there, young explorers! Welcome to our wild world of animals. Today, we are going on an exciting journey to meet one of the most magnificent creatures on the planet, the elephant. Elephants are some of the biggest animals on Earth. This long, flexible nose is called the trunk. Elephants use their trunks to drink water and scoop up yummy food. It's like having their very own magical superpower. Now, check out their fantastic ears. Elephants have big ears. These ears help them stay cool in the hot weather. These long, pointy teeth are called tusks. They are not only cool looking, they are super useful too. Elephants use them to protect themselves from danger. It's like having their very own superhero weapon. So there you have it, adventurous learners. Elephants are simply amazing with their incredible size, magical trunk, big ears, and mighty tusks. Keep exploring, keep learning. Goodbye, little adventurers. See you next time.